Hi my dear students, welcome back to the class. The last video we had discussed about phyllotaxy and functions of leaves. So I hope all of you know about this phyllotaxy and function of leaf. Okay, so today we are going to discussing the topic modification of leaves. Do you know about this modification of leaves? Okay. Along with the important vital function of leaf, that is photosynthesis, leaves of certain plants get modified to perform some additional functions to cope with the needs of environment. It is of different types. Do you have any idea about this type of leaves? Yes, leaf tendrils. So, in some weak stemmed plants, either the whole leaf or leaflet may be modified into wiry. Okay, it's coiled structure. It's a coiled structure. So, this is called what? Leaf tendril. So, this having what? Coiled structure. Okay, so what is that name? That is leaf tendrils. Okay, clear? Yes. So this leaf tendril, that is coil like or what spiral structure. Okay, clear? Yes. And as they touch any object, they coil around it and support the plant to climb up. So if the leaf tendril, that is that coil, is touch if any object, okay, and this coil around it. Is it clear? Okay. So what does leaf tendrils? In some weak stemmed plants, there either the whole leaf or leaflet may be modified into wiry coil structure. That is what leaf tendril. Okay. So what are the examples of these leaf tendrils? Okay, wild pea. Okay, wild pea. Then leaflet, sweet pea. In case of leaf, that is wild pea. Okay, it's a next is leaflet, and next is sweet potato. Okay, other is sweet pea. Next is what? Gloriosa. Then garden pea. Okay, gloriosa and garden pea. Gloriosa, smilax. These are the some examples of what leaf tendrils. I hope all of you get the idea about this leaf tendrils. Okay. So next we are going to discussing the another modification of leaf. Okay. The next one is leaf spines. I hope all of you know about these leaf spines. We already learned these leaf spines in previous classes. Yes, that is what is cactus plant having what the leaf spines. Okay. So let us see the what are the modification of these spines. Okay. The leaves are modified to a hard pointed structure. Okay, the leaves are modified to a hard pointed structures, that is called what? Yes, spines. Okay, this pointed structure, hard pointed structure called as what? It is spines. Example, what? Opentia. Okay, opentia. And these spines check the loss of water. These spines check the loss of water from plant body, helping the plant to conserve water. Okay, so these spines that check the loss of water from plant body and helping the plant to conserve water. Okay, so the spines are helps to what? Conserve water. Is it clear? Okay. And they also protect the plants from grazing animal. The spines that protect the plant from grazing animals. Clear? Yes. So Now you get idea about these leaf spines. Okay, so give me some examples of these leaf spines. Okay, correct. What? Cactus, opuntia, then berberis, aloe. Okay, these are the some examples of what leaf spines. Okay, so what are the adaptations providing the modification in cactus plant? Okay, it helps the plant to survive hot and dry climate. Okay, it helps the plant to survive hot and dry climate, and it protect the plant from grazing animal. Okay, and next is insectivorous plants. These plants grow in infertile soil where they are deprived of nitrogen, which is essential for protein formation and growth. Therefore, these plants trap and digest insect to get proteins for their development. Okay, so there are three type of insectivorous plants given in your textbook. One is what? Pitcher plant. Okay, pitcher plant or Nepenthes cassiana. Okay, and the next is bladderwood or Utricularia, and the next third one Venus flytrap. So first one is pitcher plant or Nepenthes. The leaf lamina or leaf blade comes modified into a pitcher to capture insect. Okay, the leaf lamina or leaf blade that becomes modified into a pitcher to capture insect. Okay, so when the insect is sit on that lamina, and this will trap. Okay, and next is what? Bladder wood or Utricularia. In this, some of the leaves are highly segmented and modified into a sac-like structure. This is what bladder. So what is bladder? Leaves are highly segmented. In some leaves are highly segmented and modified into a sac-like structure. Okay, that is what bladder. The bladder has a entry point. This bladder has a entry point which can be closed. The insects enter through this opening and are digested by the secretion of enzymes. Okay, so these about what? Utricularia or bladder wood. Okay, clear? And next is Venus flytrap. In this, the leaf blade is divided into two parts. Okay, leaf blade is divided into two parts that hinged along the midrib. It's hinged along the midrib, and the two parts get interlocked by marginal teeth and prevent the insect from escaping. The insect is then digested by digestive juices secreted by the plant. Okay, and next is phyllodes. When the petiole becomes expanded into a green, flat, leaf-like photosynthetic structure, it is called what? Phyllodes. Okay, and it helps in the conservation of water and reduces water loss. Okay, when the petiole becomes expanded into a green, flat, leaf-like photosynthetic structure. Okay, that is photosynthetic structure. It is called what? Phyllodes. Okay, and this phyllodes helps in the conservation of water and reduces water loss. Is it clear? Okay, example what? It is a Australian acacia. Australian acacia plant leaf having what? The leaflet, that means the phyllodes. Okay, clear? Okay, and next we are going to discussing hooks See that plant having what? Hook-like structure. Plant leaf having what? Hook-like structure. Okay. So in Begonia plant, terminal leaflet becomes modified into hooks. Okay. Terminal leaflet that becomes modified into what? Hooks. Okay, so these for climbing on the support, these help what? Climbing other ways it is helps to um, support of the plan. Okay, the hooks gives the appearance of a claws of a cat. These hooks that gives the appearance of what? Claws of a cat. Okay, so what is the function of this hooks? That helps to climbing on the support. Okay, climbing support. This gives the climbing support. Okay, and this like a claws of cat. Okay, clear? Yes. So what are the example of this hooks? Yes, that is Begonia. Is it clear? Okay. And next is scale leaves. Fleshy leaves. Okay, some leaves are fleshy or scales. Okay, so these are in case of onion and ginger. Okay, the are dry and thin or thick and fleshy non-photosynthetic leaves. Okay, see, scale leaves. These are what? Dry and thin or thick. Okay, dry, thin or thick. Maybe it is fleshy. Okay, in xerophytes plants that is fleshy. Okay, in aloe vera. Okay, aloe vera or Upanishad is having what? Fleshy parts. Okay, and these non-photosynthetic and some these dry leaves. Okay, dry leaves are what? Dry leaves scales are what? That is non-photosynthetic leaves. Okay, which take a protective role in case of onion and the ginger. These having what? Scales that gives the protection of that bud. So once again, the scale leaves. These are dry and thin or thick and fleshy. Okay, and non-photosynthetic leaves which take a protective role. Okay, and they protect what? Yes, buds. Examples: some xerophyte plants and cave or aloe vera. These are some fleshy parts of the scales. Okay, and the next is word non-photosynthetic, that is onion, ginger. Okay, these are the some examples of scale leaves. I hope all of you understood about this modification of leaves. Okay, thank you.